Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to explain a searching method, the first searching method, implementation of linear search. Okay. What is linear search? For example, consider a list. Okay. One list you have 10 values, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Consider a list, you have a 10 values. So, I am going to search one element, whether the particular element is present in the list or not. Okay. So, for example, in your class member, 60 members are there. For example, I am searching a one person there. How will I will search? From the first bench itself, I will check, right? So, from the first element, first member itself, I will check whether the searching element is equal to that person, whether the searching number is equal to that particular person name. Like that, we will search, right? The same way we are going to do it here. Okay. So, this is the code for linear search. Okay. So, here also I am going to get the list dynamically. So, these 5 lines, 6 lines code is to get the list dynamically. The previous video session I explained clearly, right? How? First I want to create the empty list. Then I have to fix how many elements we are going to add in the list. For example, I am going to add 5 numbers. Okay. Then we have to give one by one. We can't able to give all the numbers at a time. One by one only we have to give the elements. So, again and again we are proceeding with the same process, right? So, instead of doing the work again and again, we have to use the looping process. For that I am using a for loop. So, what is this range will do? Range will generate the sequence of numbers. What's the n value? N value is 5. So, here it will generate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 numbers it will generate. Okay. So, in the list 0th position, 0th index, I am going to add one element. For that I am going to get one input. How to get the input? Using int input of method. For example, I am going to get a number 1. Okay. Now, what is the value of A? A is 1. That A I want to add it in the list. How to add the element in the list? Using append I can able to add it, right? So, list 1, that is a empty list, dot append of A. What is append of A? Append means at the last you have to add the A value. What is the value of A? 1. Okay, again the for loop will be executed. Now, what is the I value? 1. For the first position, this is for the 0th position. For the first position, you are getting a input. For example, your A value is 10. Again, you are appending here. Again, you are appended here. Again, you are getting the input. Okay, now my input is 2. So, again, you are adding at the last. So, it is 2. So, again you are getting the input, okay, for example 20, you are adding at the end, okay, 20. Again, now for 4th position, okay, you are getting the input and updated in the list. All of you got it? Now, the list is dynamically added like this, okay, all of you understood? So, now your list is 10, 10, 110, 220, 30, right? Now, what's your program? You want to search one element is present in the list or not. So, which one is required? Search element is required. So, print, enter the search key. What the need of this print here? In the output screen, it will display enter the search key. That's it. Okay. If you didn't write means also it's nothing wrong. Okay. Here only I am getting the search value input. S means search element. S equal to int input of. For example, my search value is 20. So, I am going to search whether this 20 is present inside the list or not. Present inside the list or not. So, how I will check? I will check this 20 with this 1. Whether 20 is equal to 1? No. Then whether this 20 is equal to 10? No. Whether this 20 is equal to 2. I am checking the search element with each and every element in the list. Okay. when 20 equal to 20, the element is there, right? At that time, I want to increase a counter. So, I need one counter value. That's what I am putting C equal to 0 here. So, this process will be repeated for nearly 5 times. So, I am going to use a for loop for I in range of 0, n. Otherwise, we can put directly n, nothing issue. So, again here it will generate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. List of 5. What is I value now? I value is 0. List of 0. What's the list of 0 is nothing but 1. 1 equal to what is S value? 20. Condition is false. So, this counter cannot be incremented. Again for loop. Now, what's the I value? 2. Okay. So, what is present in the second position? So, sorry, now the I value is 1. What is present in the first position? 10. So, 10 equal to 20. Condition false. Now, the I value equal to 2. So, 2 equal to 20. Condition false. Now, the I value is 3. What is present in the 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. 20, right? 20 equal to 20. Condition is true. So, increment C. What is C already? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Now, what's the C value? C value is now 1. Then, I am using break. What's the need of break? I want to check whether the element is there or not. I got the element, right? So, I am breaking and coming out. Breaking and coming out of the for loop. Now, I am checking a condition. If C greater than equal to 1, equal to 1, suppose if the element is present for 2 time means, if you are not using the break, okay, if the element is for 2 time means, we can put greater than 1. Otherwise, we can put equal to 1. C is equal to 1, element found in the list. Else, element is not found in the list. Okay, all of you understood? Now, I will execute and show you. First, we are creating the list. So, how many numbers? 5. I am giving the elements one by one. 1, 10, 2, 20. Any values you can give. Okay. 3. Okay. Now, my search element is 20. You are getting the element found in the list. All of you understood? Suppose I am running once again. 5. Okay. Sorry. I am running once again. Enter the value 5. Okay. Have to enter the elements one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose my search element is 20 here. What will happen? Element not found in the lists. Okay. I hope you understand this program, students. Thank you.